So we're Stonebridge Golf Club. We're a 27-hole golf venue. Over 1,200 members here at the golf club. Over 50,000 rounds played here per annum. And we've got a staff around 29 to 35 people, depending on the seasons. I was introduced to Ash and the team around eight to 9 years ago now by one of our tenants here, Midlands Golf. So they introduced me to the team after we didn't get on with our current security supplier. I met Andy originally, and he told me about what they do and said he'd be able to incorporate everything we do on site, fire, security and cameras, all into one bundle, which obviously was a lot more convenient than 3 separate companies as it was, and made to feel confident in what they offer and the services they provide. They actually matched the price we were paying, so it wasn't a case they came in and undercut our current suppliers. It was a case of, it was just confidence in what Andy and the team were offering at the time, and the ease of turnover from the 3 companies to the one. It was a very simple process in terms of changing over the alarm and the call centre. So it worked very easily, and the support with MES is fantastic. I like working with people that I can get on with and trust, and that relationship's developed with MES, and a lot better service all round. I'd certainly recommend them, but I've been working with them 8 years here at Stonebridge. I feel they're a very good company in terms of providing the best equipment, best advice. So much so that I've gone with their system at home as well. So they've set me up a small system at home to cover my house. That's the sort of trust I've got in them, and they all seem to care about the businesses they work with as well. They've been to play golf here, and they know the site. They've got to know the site immensely well. So it's that personal touch, and again, taking the time to get to know you, get to know the business, so they can make the best recommendations.